Hello, hi, welcome to my channel, Ours Computer Learning. My name is Tarika Dedipya and present topic is CSS. Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon for interesting topics about CSS.
So today we are going to see about the grade of boxes. This is the first example in the float examples, and today I'm going to teach about the float examples. Just see the normal browser of mine, float boxes side by side. Now how to add the boxes side by side is the topic of today. So first, for everything I'm going to write. First I'm going to create the divide element so that you get a clear point of for it. So first I'm going to write the divide space class attribute is equals to clear flex, clear fix. So after this I'm closing the declaration, and next I'm going to add, this is the star mark. So for after this I'm going to write the another divide element, divide class is equals to box. My another one is the box item, and the box item I'm going to write first for the first box is equals to background. I'm going to write the background color is like hashtag BBB and closing the brackets, and I'm going to end this over here. So I have already written the end tag, and next I'm going to use the another divide element so that the second box can be created. So divide element same as the class is equals to box, and after box I'm going to style the color. So I'm going to write the background dash color is like hashtag CCC, that will be a light gray, and closing the declaration, and next I am going to closing the bracket, and for the third box same as the divide element and writing the class attribute is equals to box, same as for every three boxes are same attribute. So the style is equals to background color. I'm going to add the same background color with a light and gray color. Ground dash color is like hashtag DDD. So closing the bracket, and I'm going to use Control S and refreshing my browser, so you can see the line is formed and the little bit of the color changes of the gray shades. So now I'm going to add these three lines into a box, that to be side by side. So after the style attribute I am going to write hashtag, that means star is like star we usually choose for the class attribute. So I'm going to add the complete class attribute for the clear fix. So I'm have ended the double divide element for this, and I'm going to add star and declaration box. After declaration box I'm going to write the box sizing like border dash box, and closing the declaration, and after that I'm going to choose the dot attribute for the boxes, that is 1 2 3 uh, boxes. So that I'm going to choose the declaration, and in this dot box I'm going to write the float for the style, float, and for the float I'm using the left float, that is default float. uh, and next after the float I'm going to use the width like 33.33% comma, and now after width I'm going to use the padding like 50 pixel and closing the declaration. And after this I'm going to use the clear fix. So dot, I have used the clear fix in the first for the three boxes, so I'm going to use this same clear fix for it. Clear fix dot dot, and this dot dot we are going to learn more about this dot dot in the upcoming classes. So adding the declaration, after adding the declaration I'm going to write the connect, and I'm not writing anything for the connect, and using the clear for the both. Clear dot dot both, and here I'm going to write the display table and closing the declaration. So you can see the changes. Control S and refreshing my browser. So this is our side by side boxes. So now with the clear information I'm going to explain. This star mark is the whole exercise for these boxes, from the divide element starting to divide element ending. So this is the star mark, and I have written the border box. So in the second one, the dot box means the clear attribute. We use the clear attribute as a dot. So we have used the three divide elements individually for the each block, so that the color of this so that the float width and padding would be the same. And dot clear fix is for the whole clear fix. So this is what, how can we write these side by side boxes in the float boxes. So this is our float example, and tomorrow we are going to see the floating the image side by side. So do not miss it. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for supporting me, friends. Thank you.
Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Thank you for watching Our Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe button, bell icon.